I'm
cooking salad. Vegetable salad.
Vegetable salad. Wow. Ginajagol pa ang veggie.
I don't juggle the veggie. I just juggle it. Hi. Would you like a mortar?
That's my order. Veggie salad.
What do you want? Do you want ice cream?
Yeah.
What ice cream do you like?
What flavors do you have?
I have a chocolate, mango, orange, broccoli. I mean avocado. And this.
Do you have strawberry?
Yes. And what do you want?
Strawberry ice cream.
What's the spelling, please?
Strawberry.
What is spelling?
S T R A W.
It's not working. Let me get
Throw na ang wala nag-work. Hindi makita yung tsura. Ayan.
straw. Like straw.
Yes.
And a berry.
Oh, si bongga to si chef. Oh, chef.
We need double R? For
Yes.
the berry? Okay. Hello. Wait. So.
Ang halubat na akong cellphone.
Check it. Strawberry.
Good job. Okay ka na, chef?
Yep.
Okay. Good job, chef.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.